Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Yeah, everyone's just having lunch right now.
We're having lunch.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. If my voice sounds weird, it's because I have a runny nose right now. And it's raining. Wait, say hi to the vlog.
We're going for
Bungan bungan?
Yeah, bungan.
Oh, it's like a cold spring kind of thing. The way we're getting there, we're not taking the car, we're gonna be taking the tricycle. So it's basically a bike with a sidecar. Oi! That's gonna be on the vlog. Joke. Oh, there's bruh! What do you mean? I was eating! It's all like last minute stuff right now. Oh yeah. And it's sprinkling, so I'm probably gonna get more sick. Oh well.
Drone.
Hello.
Natala lang, i-vlog hindi ako. That one.
Fun.
Salad ba ito?
Oh, sapin-sapin. Wow, nice. What?
Sick yun? Drone ka sa loob.
Oh, it's a big tricycle. Nice. Oh, even has like a handheld thing. So basically we're gonna have to walk the rest of the way because we can't take the tricycle all the way to the cold spring. Yeah. Is it even like road? Is it even like concrete now or like it's already dirt road? Oh, it's like dirt road. Okay.
Oh my god. That's slippery, bro.
I got on camera.
You see the okay? You didn't bring umbrella. You should shower when you're back home.
Yeah, I got a shower
I'll get
again.
you the medicine so that LiQWYD.
Hey, how far is the cave?
It's layo.
So my cousins want us to go to the cave too. So we'll
But
see.
we're not gonna do that.
Oh, no. Oh, is this a cell tower? Oh, look at the cell tower. Yo, this really feels like the middle of nowhere, bro. It feels like the middle of nowhere.
We go to Pink Riding Hood.
Pink Riding Hood? Nice.
Pink Riding Hood, andun na.
Oh! That's why we can't ride the tricycle. Oh my god. It's like a dirt road already.
Bumbungan.
Oh,
It's
look.
muddy.
This is where the cement ends.
It is.
Ah, sige. Oh, it's muddy. Nice. Oh well. Oh. Oh. Duck, 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 duck. Please don't chase me. Oh. Is it still far pa? Yes. Oh. Sige. Hello. Oh my god. I hope. So it's like a little bit of hiking. Not really. It's far away from the main road though, right?
It is.
Yeah. Hopefully this hike is worth it.
It is worth it. You've never been there at all?
Yeah, never been.
It's really cool.
Even though we only live like 10-15 minutes away, I've never been here. So it's pretty cool.
I've been here, it's just difficult to go to.
Yeah, it's a long walk. Bro, if we're going through all this trouble just to get to the spring, we might as well go swimming now. Ooh. Yeah, I just slipped. Imagine like falling into that. Oh no. Oh look, it's strong. It's because it's raining. Alright, so my cousin says that the water won't be clear. It'll look a little dirty and murky because like all this rain, it's like pushing all the water down, so it's like mixing and making it look murky. So we probably can't go to the cave because it's already 3 and it's gonna be nightfall around like 5 or 6 here. So it'll be too scary to walk back if we're walking in the dark. So yeah. Oh look. Oh look. Oh, the sign. Nice. So my cousins are telling me not to speak or else they're gonna increase the entrance price for us. Padron, right?
Vlogger ka? Okay. Mga stop kang vloggers.
Finally here. So it's like really rough and I'm pretty sure it's because of all the rain that's been falling. This is gonna be fun. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. We thought that was a snake for a second. There's more people coming. All we did was just finished swimming, had some chips, and now we're heading home. it's gonna be a storm.
Yeah,
Oh, it's raining hard again.
Of course I am.
Alright, so my battery's at 90%. We're heading home now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.